Hello. Welcome to another Moosend tutorial. Connecting your website to Moosend is the very first thing you should do when starting with online marketing. Why? Because it's how you will be able to start generating quality leads by creating your own subscription forms. Also, you'll be able to track your efforts and perfect your campaigns. For example, by connecting your website to Moosend, you can keep track of all the users that viewed your About page, or who viewed your latest menu addition, or who added your sales items in their cart. No matter your industry, there is numerous information you can track for your marketing's benefit, as long as users are spotted by registering or logging into your website, making a purchase or filling in a subscription form. All these actions will lead to creating highly personalized experiences for your visitors and growing your revenue. So let's see how you can connect your website to Moosend. If you have created your website on WordPress or another popular content management system, then you can use one of our tracking plugins to start tracking your visitors' actions. Moosend offers ready-made one-click install plugins for a bunch of well-known platforms such as WooCommerce, Magento, and PrestaShop. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can connect your WordPress site with Moosend. On the Moosend dashboard, click on the Settings button and then click Websites on the menu that appears. Click on the Add Website button to add a new website to your account and fill in the domain of your website on the Website Domain area. Click on the Next button. Once you connect your website, a website ID is generated automatically. Copy this by clicking on the corresponding button, and go to your WordPress dashboard. Now it's time to install the Moosend tracking plugin to your website. That's a very simple step to do, as you can install it directly from your dashboard. Click on the Plugins tab on the menu. Then, click on the Add New button on the top. In the search bar, type Moosend Website Tracking, and when the plugin appears, click Install Now. Once it is installed, click the Activate button. From the list that appears, locate the Moosend Website Tracking plugin, click on its Settings option, and paste the website ID in the field there. Then click Save Changes and you'll notice a confirmation message appear on the top. But remember, your website will be verified only if someone has made an action in it before. In other words, we need to see that at least one person has, for example, browsed a page of your website, viewed, or purchased a product to make sure your website is active. When this happens, go back to the Websites tab on your Moosend account and check the tracking status of your website, and it will be verified. This means that your website is successfully connected to Moosend. Once your website is connected to your Moosend account and verified, a new mailing list will be created automatically when the first user subscribes and becomes identified. Simple as that. Now that your website is connected to Moosend, you can start tracking your visitors' actions and create highly personalized campaigns. Thank you for watching.